Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Crowd is very less, but I'll start the session now. Probably they will join later. Everyone have to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Actually, in this session, I'm going to discuss about week 3 contents. I mean, most probably I will discuss all the contents of the week 3, and then after 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 that we will do some activity questions, and I will try to explain the most important activity questions which you can cover all the concepts of the week 3. I will select those questions by which you can cover all the week 3 concepts. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Look, let me write the contents. Contents of week 3. So first we will describe, we will define what is quadratic functions. In this we will discuss general form and what is like axis of symmetry, and vertex, and then range, and how can you how can we how can we determine the shape of parabola, the shape of quadratic function, bracket parabola. And then in the second, and then we will find maximum and minimum values and the conditions for existing maximum and minimum values of a quadratic function. And then we will move to the equation, quadratic equations. In which we will discuss how to find the roots of quadratic equation. There are like 3 methods. One is factorization and perfect square method. And finally, formula, direct formula. We'll discuss this, and then we will finally do some activity based. Do some questions. Finally, we'll do some questions. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Before going to like what is quadratic, before going to this first one, quadratic functions, let us know what do you mean by what is quadratic function. From week one we have learned that function is like y equal to f of x. Look here, the term quadratic means like x squared term, like x squared term must exist. So the general formula for quadratic function is y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where this first ax square, this a is known as quadratic term, and this bx is linear term, and this c is constant. Look, to understand what does like what do you mean by like quadratic equation, let us take an example like which is in the form of this y equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 1. Now what we will do is like we will take x values and we will find y values. Let x be 0, then y value, what is the y value? Hello?
1.
Yeah, y value is 1. Let x be 2, what is the y value?
21.
21. 20 or 21?
21.
Let x be minus 1, what is the y value?
0. 0.
X be minus 2.
5.
5. 9.
5. Look, if you draw a graph by using this, I suppose 0, 1, like 0, 1 here, and then 2, 21, 2, 21, somewhere like here, 2, 21, and minus 1, 0, somewhere like this, minus 1, 0, and minus 2, 5, minus 2, minus 2, 5, somewhere like this, minus 2, 5. Look, if you select more number of points, the graph will be like this shape, U shape. But you can't draw U shape like look at this. Hello?
Yes.
Listen this very carefully. Look, what is the possible U shapes? I mean, like, listen this very carefully. Look, you can't clearly say that this U shape follows this path. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Because look, I will draw like this, somewhere like this. It will go and it will go down and it will go like this. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So it will go down like this. Agree. These two are possibilities. There are many possibilities. I just draw two possibilities. Look, blue graph possible and red graph is also possible. Agree with this?
Yes, sir.
But I mean, like, what is the function definition? According to the definition of function, there must be only one possible graph for a function. Like, hello,
Yes.
there must be only one. Like, there is some. I mean, like, you can't have these two. So you need to know where the bottommost point, where this is known as vertex. This is very important. If you define vertex, look, vertex. You need to know the vertex because it is the bottommost or topmost point.
So this is week 3.
Hello?
Is this from week 3?
Yeah, week 3. This is the bottommost or topmost point. Look, what is happening here is that if you know the vertex, and if you know 2 or 3 points, like, you can perfectly draw quadratic function. Agree?
Yes.
Because vertex is bottommost point or topmost point. It will be like this. And the second important thing for the quadratic function is axis of symmetry. Listen this very carefully. What happens is that any quadratic graph somewhere like this or like this has an axis of symmetry. Look, you can perfectly draw a middle line such that you can fold the graph. Look, you can correctly make this graph half into half. Look, for suppose I made this graph half at this blue point. I mean, through this blue line. If the left side of the graph, this graph, is equal to this red part, like, if you fold it, then if these two are equal, then this blue line is known as axis of symmetry. Understood? Do I need to explain
Yes,
again?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Look, okay, we defined two important, parameters for a quadratic function. What are the two important parameters of quadratic function? Can anyone answer that?
What, sir?
Hello? What are the two important parameters of quadratic function? I discussed these two. I discussed only two things.
So a quadratic function has a vertex that is at bottom vertex and the up top
Leave about that.
vertex.
I'm asking just what are the parameters, like, look, vertex and the axis of symmetry. Look, vertex and axis of symmetry.
So we are not getting what you are talking about the parameters.
Important. Look, parameters, like, you can define. Look, what happens is that leave out the parameter. Look, what happens to define what are the possibilities to define the parabola or to define the quadratic function. Look, I will explain you again.
Yeah, sir. I think the y-intercept of a quadratic function is
Look,
as part C.
look, what is happening is that listen this carefully, every quadratic function must have one axis of symmetry, two vertex. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So what is happening here is that if you like, if someone is saying that you have a quadratic equation, a quadratic function y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then this function, this quadratic function must have axis of symmetry and vertex. Now, how will you define? How will you determine axis of symmetry and vertex? This is the question.
So minus b by 2a.
Look, yeah. What happens here is the axis of symmetry. Look, for suppose, if quadratic function y is equal to in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Look, and there is a condition, a must be greater than 0. Then it is a quadratic equation. If a equal to 0, what does it mean? Y equal to bx plus c. That means it is a line equation. Are you getting the point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, if the quadratic function is in the form of y equal to ax square plus bx plus c and a greater than 0, then we can say that axis of symmetry lies at, can anyone tell? Hello?
Vertex.
A can be negative also. No, sir.
A can be negative. Like, sorry, a not equal to 0. Sorry. Not a greater than, a not equal to 0. Sorry. Look, axis of the symmetry lies at, what is the axis of
X
symmetry?
is equal to minus b by 2a.
Vertex.
Minus b by 2a. Okay, this is pretty good. And then, what is the other thing to find in the quadratic function?
Vertex.
Yeah, what is the vertex?
Topmost or bottommost point of a parabola.
Minus
Yeah,
b by 2.
what is the formula? I'm asking what is the formula. Okay, minus b by
Minus b by
2a.
2. Yeah.
But vertex is a point, man. Vertex is a point. I need two
The
two
x
points.
coordinate of the vertex is, I think, minus b by 2. X coordinate.
Yeah, x coordinate is minus b to a. What is the y coordinate? I need y coordinate also.
We put there is
b by 4a.
Huh? No. Look, just put this x value in this function. Are you getting the point? F
Yes,
of
sir.
minus b by 2a.
Yeah.
Look, this is simply finding a point now. Look, you know x value. Y
C
equal
minus
to x
b
square
square
plus bx plus c. Now the vertex lies at x equal to minus b by 2a. X coordinate of vertex is minus b by 2a now. Now substitute y equal to a into minus b by 2a whole square plus b into minus b by 2a plus c. This can be simply represented by, if you take this function as f of x, f of minus b by 2a. Agree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear for everyone? Or else I will
Yes, sir.
explain you again.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It is clear, sir.
Yeah. Now you have learned about two important things about the quadratic function. Can anyone, like, no, with using these two, can anyone draw the graph? Like, if you know these two, can you draw the graph?
No.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah, you can't draw. But what is the use? Okay, you learned about vertex, you learned about this. What is the use?
We can know the maxima and minima using the vertex points.
Yeah. What is happening is that the parabola, listen this very carefully. Shape of the parabola, shape of the quadratic function. That is the quadratic function. Look, quadratic function is also known as parabola. Remember this, quadratic function is also known as parabola. Look, what is happening is that there are like two possibilities shape. There are like two possibilities in shape. Number one, opens upward, opens downward. Like I will draw the graph, like a rough sketch of it. Similarly, like this. This will be downwards. And look, what is happening here is, look at this graph carefully. This is the minimum point. Minimum point. This is the maximum point. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look, this is the minimum point and this is the maximum point. What is happening here is that you can predict the direction or the shape of the parabola by just looking at the equation. Look, our general form of the equation is ax square plus bx plus c, y equal to. General form of quadratic function, x square plus bx plus c. If a is greater than 0, then this is known as upward, opening upward. Like this, the shape of the parabola is like opening upward, a greater than 0. If a is less than 0, it is like opens downward. Agree? Hello.
I agree,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Look,
Yes.
this opening, you have to check this, like where the openings, these two marks, where it points. Opening in the sense it is opening upward, like two are, I mean like 2 points are open, I mean like there are like 2 curves now. These 2 sides are opening upwards, these 2 sides are opening downwards. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes,
If
Yes.
the
sir.
leading coefficient is positive, it will open up upward. If leading coefficient is negative, it will open downward.
Yeah. Leading quotient, yeah. This yeah. Now I will ask you one question, like, okay, can anyone, I gave you this, can anyone tell the range of quadratic function? I will give you a hint. See this see this picture. See this. See this picture and this picture. Any one of the picture.
So range of quadratic function is always 0 to infinity.
0 to infinity. Range, sure. Look, this function. Look, the minimum point is this. This is not 0. Look,
Minimum.
But sir, in this case, if we look at the graph that you have drawn, it is not 0.
it is not 0. I'm telling you that range is not 0. Then what is the range? Just think. Look,
I think range is a real line
Our intersection function.
intersection
in my,
where the function is greater than the minimum point of the
yeah.
function.
Look, this is the good thing. Like,
so
listen this carefully.
in
Look,
my accordance, the range is
the
minimum.
range is like greater than
Minimum
minimum.
to
In this graph, the range is like greater than minimum. F of x must be greater than minimum value. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, but so it can be minimum also.
Minimum value. Yeah, it can be greater than or equal to minimum. Look, it in this f of x must be less than or equal to maximum value. Agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look, listen this very carefully. Range can be written as or which is real numbers. We will remove from real numbers. We will remove this f of x such that greater than f. Look, whenever there is a greater than symbol, what is this? Minimum. Are you getting the point? This the same thing we are
Yeah.
writing in the mathematical form. Agree? F of x, the value of f of x such that f of x is greater than or equal to f of minimum. And R intersection or will remove f of x plus f of x must be less than or equal to f max. Agree? Hello. Should I explain this
Yes,
again?
sir. No, sir.
I will explain. I will explain you again. Like,
Oh.
look, we are just removing from real numbers. We are just removing the values like f of x must be greater than minimum value. Here we wrote the same thing. F of x must be greater than minimum value. Here f of x less than maximum value. Here we wrote the same thing. F of x less than or equal to maximum value. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Agree, sir. I got a little confusion. So
Yeah, you can ask me.
it means that a parabola can have a maximum value. Domain is limited, and if domain is infinity, then it means that the maximum value can be infinity.
Yeah, maximum value can be infinity. Stop. Yeah, yeah. Look, maximum value can go to infinity, but the starting point matters. If maximum value is infinity, then whether it started at the minimum point. Look, what is happening is like, look, for suppose, let us take this example. Are you able to see what I am writing?
Yes.
Look, this 3 to infinity is one thing. Look here, let us suppose 5 to minus infinity is other thing. Are you getting the point? Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Look,
sir. Yes.
3 to infinity is when parabola is opening in the upward direction. Then what happens is that there must be one minimum point from which the values will start. Are you getting the point? And if the parabola is opening downwards, there must be a maximum value and the decrement. I mean, like, there is a gradual decrease in the values. Are you getting the point? Look, 5, 1,
Yes.
like 5 to minus infinity, 3 to infinity. Agree? This is just an example. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, okay, I don't want to write now. Look, this is the quadratic equation where y equal to x square plus bx plus c. This. I need y-intercept. What is the y-intercept?
C.
How did you find that?
I didn't find that.
X equal
By
to
putting x equal to 0.
Yeah. Y-intercept. What does y-intercept mean? Look,
When
y-intercept
x
is
is
nothing but
0.
point at which, I mean, like, curve meets y-axis. What is happening here is that, so, I mean, like, ax square plus bx plus c, y equal to x square plus bx plus c is meeting y-axis. Look, any point on the y-axis. What is, take any point in the y-axis. Hello.
Yes.
0 comma, it is in the form of 0 comma some k. Leave out k. Any point in the y-axis is like x equal to 0. Agree?
Yes, sir.
X equal to
Yes.
0. Look, 0, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3. So x equal to 0 is known as equation of y-axis. X equal to 0 is known as equation of y-axis.
Right.
So what you will do is that to find y-intercept, we just put x equal to 0, a into 0 square plus b into 0 plus c. So y equal to c. That means what is the point? 0 comma c. Agree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
So
Yes.
C is y-intercept. Don't by heart. It C is the y-intercept of ax square plus bx plus c. Just try to understand the concept behind it. The C is y-intercept of quadratic function.
So, sir, in case there is no y-intercept, then there will be no c in the equation.
I didn't get you.
If there is no y-intercept for a quadratic function,
Yeah. Okay.
then in that case, the quadratic equation will not have c in that.
Yeah, we will not have C, but okay, good question. Like let me give you an example. For suppose y equal to x square plus x. Hello.
Yes, sir.
There is no y and look. There is no. I mean, like, what is the y-intercept?
It will be 0, na, sir.
Y-intercept is 0. 0 comma 0. That means it touches y-axis at origin. 0. This is not the actual graph. Okay. Hello. There is.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
I will draw. I will draw clearly.
So this is a case where our parabola is meeting at origin. But what happen in the case if our parabola is totally in
Oh, look.
quadrant,
This
quadrant one,
totally in
first quadrant?
this. Leave about. I will discuss about that. Leave about that. No. Okay, you are telling that parabola is in the first quadrant like this.
Yeah, it is only in first quadrant, not.
No. Okay, okay. Look, we will discuss. Look, this. There is one thing like, what happens is that this happens when there is one condition. Like there are like no real roots. We will discuss in the last part. Okay. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Hello.
okay, sir.
Don't worry about that. We will discuss in the last part because it will create confusion for others. Okay. Till now it is clear. Hello.
Yes, it's clear.
Now let us do some questions like really good questions. These questions are taken from the activities. I selected good questions, like some questions, so that I can explain all the things that I taught by using these examples. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Look, y equal to x square plus 10x plus 1. Look, questions are these are the questions like, is this function has maximum or minimum? Answer this question.
Sir,
Hello?
it has minimum value.
Everyone agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's
Minimum. Well, since look for okay. Look, let's convert this equation like x square plus 10x plus 1. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. A equal to 1, b equal to 10, c equal to 1. Look, a is greater than 0. So what does that mean? Minimum value. Now what is happening? What is the, someone asked, what is the minimum value? What is the minimum value? Possible. What is the answer?
Minus
Minus
b by
24,
2a.
Hmm? Are you
Minus b by
sure?
2a.
minus 24, sir.
Look, minimum value possible and where the minimum occurs. Value occurs. Both are different. Look. Where the minimum value occurs is like minus b by 2a, x equal to. Did you get that? Minus
Yes.
10 by 2 minus 5. At x equal to minus 5, we will get the minimum value. But if someone directly asks what is the minimum value, we have to substitute f of minus b by 2a. That is equal to f of minus 5. That equal to minus 5 whole square plus 10 into minus 5 plus
Minus
1.
24.
25 minus 50 plus 1. That equal to minus 24. Agree? Everyone
sir.
get this?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, not under last.
Yeah, good. Look, minimum value and where the minimum value occurs. Look. I'm drawing the graph like this. If the graph is like this, look, this is the minimum value, the y value. Let's suppose this is 3 and this is like 1. At 1, you will get the minimum value. At x equal to 1, you will get minimum value is equal to 3. Are you getting the point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look, here in question, they directly asked what is the minimum value possible. So what is the minimum value possible? So you have to find the value at the, look, value at x equal to minus b by 2a. We have to find the value of x at minus b by 2a. Agree? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Then now I will give you one, like, we'll do this question last. Like, now let us discuss about slope.
Sir, your voice was lost. Maybe I lost connection or your voice was not coming.
Okay. Is the problem for everyone? Same problem for everyone?
No,
No, your voice
no,
is
Just can
No, sir.
confirm, please.
Yeah, okay. My voice is fine now? Okay. Now let us do everyone able to just wait. I mean, can you go to activity 3.2?
okay, sir.
Yeah, let us do the second question.
Sir, can you tell one more time? Activity 2.2.
3.2, question 2. Deb and Ananya. Deb and Ananya question. Okay. Look, Deb and Ananya bought 20 toys together. Hello.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Look, let us write a equation. I mean, like basic equation. Let Deb be D and Ananya number of toys. Number of toys bought by Deb equal to D and Ananya equal to A. They said that they both bought 20 toys. So D plus A equal to 20. Now, from these 20 toys, Deb lost 3 toys and Ananya lost 4 toys. Product of the current number of their toys is 42. Look, Deb lost 3 toys and Ananya lost 4 toys.
Sir,
And
Dev initially has X number of toys.
leave about the X or this, leave about that. Look, just follow this, like, and
Okay, sir.
if you multiply these both, I mean, like in question they said the multiplication is like 42. Now, can you form a equation for Deb to know how many toys did he have initially? Look, our aim is to find Deb toys. Agree? And they clearly gave,
Yes.
let us assume Deb initially has X toys. Replace all the D with X. X plus A equal to 20 and X minus 3 into A minus 4 equal to 42. Listen this very carefully. We need to find the quadratic, we need to find the Deb's toys. Means we have the equation must be in the form of X. Equation must be in the form of X. So look, use this equation X plus A equal to 20. So you have to remove A to achieve this. In the form of X, you have to remove A. So A equal to 20 minus X. Agree? From this.
Yes.
Now substitute here. X minus 3 into 20 minus X minus 4 equal to 42. X minus 3 into 16 minus X equal to 42. Multiply this 16x minus x square minus 48 plus 3x equal to 42 minus x square plus 19x minus 48 equal to 42. Okay, this is option C.
Yes.
Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a way how you can find the quadratic equations when look they give you the some case like some portion. Now let us move on to the next part. Slope. Actually, in week 2, we learned about slope. Can anyone define slope based upon week 2 knowledge?
Del X by del Y.
No.
Del
Week
y by
2,
del x.
we didn't look. In week 2, did we discuss about del or del?
So rise by run.
Gradient of
Change.
Y by.
Rise by run.
Minus y1 upon x2 minus x.
Change in y by
Yeah.
change in x.
Look, and leave. In week 2, we didn't use the word change. Week 2, that's why I clearly asked week 2. We learned about slope. I need the week 2's definition.
So rise by run.
Look, slope m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Look, what is happening here is that, listen this very carefully.
Race and run.
Here it is like there is
Yes.
change in x, and there is some significant change in y. So sometimes you can tell us a change in y by change in x. Sometimes it is also known as sensitivity. Look, in calculus we will define like del y by del x. Del y by del x. Here, what is the main motto? Look, we listen this very carefully. What is y? It is a function of x. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Listen this very carefully. Y is function of x. Now, what we are doing is like we are selecting one point, f of x naught. So not f of x naught. It is x naught. Let's the point be x naught, and the point be there is a significant distance between the. We will select two equidistant points from x naught. One is x naught plus h, and other is x naught minus h. Agree?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes.
Look, and what we are doing is like, what is the point? What is this point? I'm shading a point now. Can anyone tell the value of this point?
X naught plus h and comma f of x naught plus h.
Yeah, f of x naught plus h. Yeah, I need just y value, so I'm writing just that. And this is f of x naught minus h. What is happening is like, we know what is the line equation. Y equal to mx plus c. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We will apply this del y by del x. We don't know how to find the slope. Like someone said the slope is like del y by del x. We need to check now. We can't believe everyone. So that's why what we are doing is like we are checking what does del y by del x give. If del y means change in y, like I am taking this f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught minus h by change in x. What is change in it? X naught plus h minus x naught minus h. Look here. Look, function f of x is equal to y. Sorry, mx plus c. Now f of x plus h equal to m into x naught plus h. X naught plus h plus c. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what is happening is I will erase. I will draw the bottom. So m into x naught plus h plus c minus m into x naught minus h plus c divided by 2h, because x and minus x naught and minus x naught will cancel. So 2h. So we will simplify this. Mx naught plus mh plus c minus mx naught plus mh minus c divided by 2h. Mx naught plus c minus c 2mh divided by 2h. Look, we got m del y by del x equal to m. This is slope. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
every time it will give you the like, look, line has constant slope. Line has constant slope. Why? Because every time you will do del x by del y, del y by del x, you will get only m, nothing other than that. But not every curve has a constant slope. For suppose we'll take this ax square plus bx plus c. Now I want to find the slope. Same formula, del y by del x. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Del y by del x. Look, what happens is that we will apply the same f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught minus h by x naught plus h minus x naught minus h. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is very good. Look, f of x naught plus h equal to f of, sorry, a x naught plus h whole square plus b x naught plus h plus c. We substitute this here. A into x naught plus h whole square plus b into x naught plus h plus c minus a into x naught minus h whole square plus b into x naught minus h plus c divided by 2h. Agree?
Yes, sir.
A into x naught square plus 2h x naught plus h square plus bx naught plus bh plus c minus a into x naught square plus h square minus 2x naught h minus bx naught plus bh minus c divided by 2h. Plus finally ax naught square plus 2h ax naught plus ah square plus bx naught plus bh plus c minus ax naught square minus ah square plus 2x naught h minus into minus is plus minus bx naught plus bh minus c divided by 2h. Look, cancel this and ah square minus ah square. What are the other variables? Right?
Bx not, sir.
Bx naught and minus bx naught
And
and
C
plus
also.
c minus c. Look, whatever you get, the final thing is like
4HAX not. No, sir.
sorry, here I left here
Yes, sir.
2h ax naught plus 2x naught ah plus bh by 2h. By 2h that equal to 4h ax naught plus 2bh by 2h. That equal to 2h 2ax naught plus b by 2h. Therefore, it is like slope m equal to 2ax plus h x naught plus h. Look, this is not
Sir,
constant slope.
it's B.
Oh, sorry. B.
Sir,
Look,
one question.
not a constant slope. Yeah, you can ask.
Sir, I'm sorry, I might have missed the earlier part, but can you explain me once more what could be a slope and what could be a constant slope, and why not a constant slope?
Look. Here, 2ax naught plus b. Slope is depending upon the x coordinate. Agree?
Okay.
Slope is depending on x coordinate. But look at the straight line. It is not depending on anything. It is just a constant value m, which is we already predefined. Mx plus c. Agree? Hello.
Yes.
So this is the derivation of the slope, like slope of quadratic function. So
Okay.
slope of quadratic function is equal to 2ax plus b. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Any doubts till now?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No. Now let us find. Let's go to a question. Find slope of parabola y equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 3.
Six x plus 4.
First compare with y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. A equal to 3, b equal to 4, c equal to 3. So what is the formula? 2ax plus
2ax
b.
plus b. 2 into 3 into x plus 4. So that would be 6x plus 4, sir.
X plus b. Sorry, plus 4. Equal to 6x plus 4. Okay. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh, can anyone tell me the use of the slope? Hello?
So like the use of a
Yes.
slope is it can give a estimation of which line is the best fit in the case of.
Oh, in the case of parabola, I am asking. Like, for suppose this be a parabola. Now, what does look you find a slope at this point? At this point, let's say suppose 3 comma 4 comma 3. What does the slope like? Hello.
Yes.
What does the slope mean? This is the tangent. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Slope of tangent. What does the tangent mean? Like, look. You need to understand. Look, tangent only intersects. Look, if you want to find a look slope at a point, like try to understand this. Look, you want to find a slope at the point 4 comma 3 for the parabola. What happens is that it is a slope at the tangent at this point. Tangent means it only intersects at only at this point. Look, for suppose this, let this be a curve. If you want to draw tangent at this black point. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You will draw a line like a line which only touches only this point of the curve.
Sir, one
Agree?
question.
Yeah.
Sir, is the line supposed to be from any point or it will originate from 0, 0?
No, not 0, 0. It can be from any point. Like, but the
Okay.
look, remember this. It should only touch the curve at only one point. That to the point at which you want to find the slope.
Got it.
Look, only touched at this point. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the slope of the tangent, like at this point. Nothing more than that. Use of tangents is like you will get to know in the calculus, but calculus part. But the tangents are like very important, like to know. I mean, like there are many use cases for tangents, but very important. Just I want to let you guys know about the practical importance of the this slope, because you think that okay, there is no delta x and delta y. You will think like this. Are you getting the point? You will try to compare it with straight lines. That's why I don't want you guys to do that. That's why I said this. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now.
So it means where is the point?
Can you be a little louder? I'm unable to hear you. Sorry. I'm like
I mean, slope of the point.
slope
Slope of point.
slope of point. I didn't get you.
So since 4,3 is the point, so
Yeah,
you-
look, slope
you
of
can
the
find one
tangent
slope.
passing
That
through passing through the point. Okay. Hello. Look, I will try to explain again. Let this be a graph. Now what happened? You want to find slope at this point. This x comma y. Look, first you need to draw a tangent at this point. Tangent in the sense it only touches this point, nothing more than that. Like it only touches this point. The slope of this tangent is slope of the quadratic equation. Quadratic function. Slope of quadratic function at point x comma y. Agree? Hello.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Slope of the tangent at x comma y is equal to slope of the quadratic function at point x comma y. This is the main important thing. I'll put equal
Sir?
to here also.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, we can't draw slope with 2 points in this parabola.
You can draw, but look. You're asking like this. Okay, you're asking
Yes,
this
sir.
this line.
Yes, sir.
Then it is not a tangent. The definition not a tangent,
Yes, sir.
because the tangent definition is only it intersects at only one point on the curve.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we will move on to the next
Then,
part.
sir, what is the use of tangent and a slope?
Look, tangent. The use of tangent is that okay. For suppose, I think you have heard this experiment. Like, I will try to tell in physics. Like,
Yes, sir.
you will get to know in calculus, but I will give you a feel how the tangent works. Look,
Yes, sir.
for suppose, if you tied a thread, like strong thread, to a rock, and if you keep on swirling it, like, are you getting the point? If you keep on
Yes,
swirling
sir.
it,
Yes, sir.
look, if you leave it, the good thing is like when you leave it, like when you leave it, it will go
Yes,
in
sir.
this direction. So in this direction,
Yes, sir.
this is tangential direction,
Yes, sir.
because it is circle and it moves in a tangential direction. You can find the velocity velocity of, after you leave, the velocity that which it travels based upon using the tangents, all these things, okay, based upon the slopes. This one, did you get the feel?
Yes, sir.
This is a physics example.
Yes, sir.
There are many such examples, but this is the how the importance of tangent, like
Yes, sir.
clear.
Yes, sir.
And then coming to the final part, like this is the final part most probably. Yeah, most probably this is the final part of the week 3. Quadratic equations. No, this is a new term. Like equations. Till now we heard about quadratic functions. Why suddenly change it to equations? The quadratic function means y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. When this y becomes certain value, then it is known as then quadratic function. It means quadratic function. Is known as quadratic equation. Did you understand this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Look, if y is equal to certain value, then then the quadratic function becomes the quadratic equation. Look, let us take an example. Y equal to x 3x square 3x square plus 4x plus 8. Let us suppose this becomes 6. 6 equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 8. 3x square plus 4x minus 4x minus plus 2 equal to 0. Look how it become. Look, it become quadratic equation. Are you getting the point? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, what is the beautiful thing is that, look, we have discussed about y-intercept, where the curve
Sir,
intersects.
Sir,
Yeah.
we can equate it with any number.
Yeah.
And sir, when we equate it with 0, then it is standard or not? Standard equation.
Yeah, you can equate it 0. Nothing, no problem. Nothing.
Yes, sir.
Look, now we have, learned about y-intercept. Now what happens is that, look, it is equal to 0. Like, that means any quadratic equation can be written in this form, equal to 0. That means y equal to 0. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir. Agree.
Any quadratic equation can be written in the form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Equation form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. No, look what is happening here. Let us compare with quadratic function. Compare with quadratic function. X square plus bx plus c equal to y. Agree? Look, what is the similarity between them? Y equal to 0. Look, what does y equal to 0 means? Point on x-axis.
Yes.
Point will lie on x-axis, sir.
Look, if x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then if you solve this, then the point must lie on x-axis. Agree? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Point must lie. So there are like two terms, like roots, zeros. When will you use the word roots and when will you use the word zeros?
Sir, I think both are same.
Look, both are same, but I mean both are nearly same. Look, roots for quadratic equations. These are like for quadratic functions.
Solutions.
Quadratic functions. Why roots and zeros are useful? To find x-intercept. Same thing, to find x-intercept. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Both them is same, but when we are dealing with quadratic equations, we say roots, and when we are dealing with quadratic functions, we say zeros. And then coming to the how to find these roots or these zeros. How to find zeros and roots. Look, first we will discuss roots. There y equal to f of x now, zeros, y equal to f of x. Equate y equal to 0. Equate y equal to 0. That means f of x equal to 0. And then now there are like three methods. Listen this very carefully. Methods to find roots and zeros. There are like three methods. First method is like using graph. Second method is factorization method. Third method. Can anyone tell the third method?
Square method.
Perfect square method.
Completing square root.
Perfect square method. What is the fourth method?
Quadratic formula
Quadratic
method.
formula.
Quadratic
Quadratic formula.
formula.
Look, using graph method, see the x-intercepts. Agree? See the
Yes, sir.
Yes,
x-intercepts.
sir.
For suppose there are two x-intercepts. That means let x-intercept be p and q. Then x minus p into x minus q equal to 0 is quadratic equation. Agree?
Sir,
Yes.
there should be a also.
A into x minus something. I will put capital A,
Yes, sir.
capital A into x minus p. This is also known as intercept form. Intercept form. Doesn't this, I mean, like, do I need to explain this again? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Please explain it.
Look, this carefully. For suppose there are like two roots, p, q. If someone asks, look, you know that p comma q are roots of the quadratic equation. Agree? Because by graphical method,
Yes.
when you see x-intercepts, you can look. If someone asks what is the quadratic function, what is the quadratic equation, you can clearly say that, you can easily say that f of x is equal to, sorry, no need. Quadratic, let's for suppose someone asks what is the quadratic function. F of x is equal to capital A into x minus p, x minus q. This is the formula, like you can find this quadratic function. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, if you equal to 0, x minus p into x minus q equal to 0, if you put like this, then it is quadratic equation. This is quadratic function. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Agree.
Yes, sir.
And then we have done the first part. Like, now coming to the factorization method. Factorization method is little bit confusing. Just listen carefully. For suppose, let's take what to take. Let us take. I will try. I am doing the example first. Then I will explain you the theory. Okay. X square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. You need to find roots of this. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How will look? How will you approach this? Look, multiply these two, first and last. I mean, like x square quotient and constant quotient. 1 into 5 equal to 5. And then the middle thing is 4. Now we have to select two numbers such that
Sir, it can't be factorized.
hello.
Sir, it can't be factorized. We cannot find
Yeah,
root by
sorry,
this
sorry,
method.
sorry, sorry. Yeah, yeah. So it can't be factorized. Let's first suppose 5.
Sir, take it 5 as a 4.
4, yeah. That is what I'm doing. Look, 1 into 4 equal to 4. Now we have to select two numbers such that when we multiply them, we should get 4. This. When we add them, we should get 5. That means select two numbers A, B, A into B. Let's suppose A, B. A into B is equal to 4 and A plus B must be 5. How can you do that? Just do like 4 into 1. No, 4 plus 1. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone is understanding this.
Yes.
Now look,
Yes.
x square
Yes,
plus, right, 5x like 4x plus 4. Now take x common, x plus 4. Plus here take 1 common, x plus 4. X plus 1 into x plus 4. Agree? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood? Should I take the other example? Hello.
Understood.
If you want, I can take another example.
Sir, will you solve week 2 questions?
Week 2 questions? No, most probably not. Like actually, week 2 TS have clarified doubts now.
Okay, sir. Any doubts will be clarified.
I didn't get you.
So will you be clarifying any doubts
Yeah,
regarding
in
week?
week 3 I can clarify now. Week 2 actually TS has already clarified that if at all there is some time left at the last, we will look into that. Okay.
Okay.
With sir, within the bracket should come same number, right? Means
Yeah.
x plus 4 means
X plus 4.
second one also second same.
X plus 4. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Everyone understood
Yeah.
this factorization method?
Yeah. Nice.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Very
Now
nice, sir.
coming to the, like, what is the other method? perfect square method. Like this method, listen this method very carefully. Perfect square method, some call it as complete square method. If you listen this carefully, you can derive this formula.
Sir, can you show that one more time? Yeah, using graph, fourth one formula, quadratic formula, right?
Yeah, which one?
Fourth one.
Yeah, quadratic formula. Yeah. Look,
Yeah.
there is a close relation between the perfect square method and the formula method. To get, I mean, like the derivation of the quadratic, I mean, the formula to find the roots is based upon the perfect square method. Hello. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Please repeat.
Yeah. Look, first, okay, let us do one example and then we will go to derivation. Okay.
Yes.
Let's take this example. X square minus 12x.
Very good evening, sir. Manoj this side. Can I have just a moment of yours, sir?
Yeah, okay.
Actually, sir, I just want to bring your attention to the fact that yesterday also it ended a session. I requested them to just post the grade 1 because the result has been published for grade 1 assignment, the solution PDF for the grade 1 assignment, sir. So there are some question which I'm not able to understand. If you post the graded assignment solution in the PDF form, as you have done for practice assignment, that would be very helpful for me, sir. And the result of graded 1 assignment is already been published. Yesterday told me that they, yeah.
But you didn't get the answer sheet for grade 1 assignment.
Come again?
You didn't get the solution sheet for grade 1 assignment. Complete solution.
No, I have not got it, sir.
Okay,
from where I can got it?
Hey, they will upload in the portal. Don't worry. It will take some time.
Sorry.
Just don't worry. Okay.
Sir, request because earlier also 2 times I already said they told that it will be done, but till now it has not been done.
Okay,
so
it will be done. Don't worry. Yeah, I'll contact. I will tell your grievances. Okay, don't worry. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Look, perfect square method. Here, our motto is to do this part as a perfect square by adding and subtracting some constant value, some value. Look, I want to make it very clear. Like, look, for suppose you know the formula of a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
A square plus 2ab plus b
square. For suppose what I will suggest is like x square minus 12x plus 34. I will take that. Look, this 12x, break it into 2ab. 2 into, here it is a. Consider it is a. The coefficient of this. It is 1. And then what is the remaining thing left? Hello.
B.
6.
6. 6 into 2 is 12 now. That's 6. And x. Look, now here we got 2. That this is a and this is b. You got b. Look, to make it perfect square, x square minus 12x. What is the missing one?
36.
6 square is missing. Like, so what we have to do? But we have 34. To get 6 square, we just want to add 2 and subtract 2. Agree?
Yes,
hello?
sir.
Understood.
So x square minus 12x plus 36 minus 2 equal to 0. Now combine all this. X square minus 12x plus 36 minus 2. After combining all this, you can write as x minus 6 whole square minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 6 whole square equal to 2. X minus 6 equal to plus or minus root 2. X equal to 6 plus or minus root 2. Agree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Clear? I want to take other example because for someone it might not be clear.
So can you just go up for 1 minute?
Okay. Understand this very carefully. Like, this
Sir,
is
one
the
question.
Yeah.
If we approach the same problem with a solution method which you did earlier,
Yeah.
can you do that?
Okay. Actually, this I mean, look, for root to this type of thing, it is very difficult. Like for I mean, like you're asking about factorization method.
Yes.
Yeah,
Is
it
it
is very
possible?
difficult. It is
Okay.
like it is very difficult. Like you can't do easily, like because you won't look. You can't get an idea like this now. Look, you can't do. Actually, you can't do. You can't get idea like you
Then,
can't
sir, what
find
would be a
numbers.
basis of which method to apply for which kind of question?
No, what happens is that you can directly apply formula method. Formula method. That is the best. Like it saves time. Hello.
We are getting you.
Formula
Yes.
is like minus b plus or minus that formula, sir.
Yeah, minus b. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I will show you one very beautiful thing where the formula method and the complete square method both are same. Both are same. Just you will find it in next 10 minutes, 10 or 20 minutes. Okay. I will do the other sum so that you will get the clarity. Another problem. X square minus 8x plus 13 equal to 0. To complete square method, we have to apply complete square method. Listen this very carefully. This you have to break down into what? Hello guys.
Yes.
Into
4.
2AB.
2, 4.
Into what is A? 1. What is B? 4. X. So x square minus 8x. Look, here there is 13, but here 4 square is missing. What is the value of 4 square?
16.
16. What should we add?
Minus 3 plus.
Add 3 and subtract 3.
Plus 3 minus 3 equal to 0. X square minus 8x plus 16 minus 3 equal to 0. Whole term. X minus 4 whole square minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 4 whole square equal to 3. X minus 4 equal to plus or minus root 3. X equal to 4 plus or minus root 3. Everyone agree?
Yes, sir. Clear.
No? Okay, I really hate this. Like, look, these are like just numbers. So now I'm making it little difficult. Let us find the complete square method for ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Solve by complete square method. Look, the same method will follow. Look, you have to write this in the form of 2 into hello.
A, B.
2 into x.
Into A into B.
2 into A into B. But it is bx now. How will you write that?
Like x square coefficient constant.
Yeah, look, listen this carefully. 2 into, you know, A. This is A. 2A. Look, I will put 2 capital A into capital B. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Look, listen this really carefully. Here, what is happening is that 2 into you have to multiply with A because it is here. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you can adjust B value. Adjust B by 2A. If you cancel, if you multiply all this, 2A, B by 2A, B. Are you getting the point?
Yes, could you please
Yes, sir.
explain once
Yeah,
again?
I know. That's it. look, what you know is that this b, this small b must be equal to 2 into capital A into b. Hello.
Yes,
Or
sir.
2
Yes, sir.
small a, 2 into 2 small a into, we don't know b, because we know small a because it is a. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And we don't know, so I am putting as capital B. Agree?
Agree, sir.
Yes.
What is happening is that 2ab, no,
Yeah, sir. This one
ab must be equal to this b, small b.
discriminant, sir.
I'll leave about the discriminant. I'm just put capital B. Look, I look, what is happening is that you have to add like x square plus bx plus c. We have to add some b square term minus b square. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's why I put b. Agree? Yeah, hello. So that
Sir.
x square. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I think you are not getting this, but I want to make it really clear. Like, what is our main aim? To convert
Getting
this
the
into some
B into
capital.
2ab.
To convert this into some this form like
factor, like
a minus some a minus b whole square, some x minus x minus k whole square plus some constant equal to 0. Agree?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
You have to make it like this, but
Okay.
you only have ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What you can do, only you can add some b square value or minus b square, add and subtract.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
So what I'm doing is that I know there is a, but this b is not the actual b. Try to
Yes,
understand.
sir.
Ax
Yes, sir.
square. Now we can write this b as like, look, I can write this b as like 2 into a into b by 2a into x. Agree? Look,
Yes, sir.
the whole thing is like cancel 2a to a, bx only, the whole thing,
Yes, sir.
plus c equal to 0. Now look at this very carefully, like 2 into a into b by 2a into, okay, sorry, I have done a small mistake. Stop.
Guys, can you please mute when you're not speaking? It's disturbing seriously. Bharti, please mute.
Look, first step, remove this a, because this creates some ruckus. I'm removing this a, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 divided by a on both sides. So x square plus b by a x plus c by a equal to 0. Agree?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
I'm making you easy, like last method is not that much easy. So now x square plus, look, we need to do this like 2 into a is 1, so 1 into, no, b by 2a to x plus c by a equal to 0. Look at this very carefully. Look, this whole term is like b by ax. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the point? I just
Yes,
wrote
sir.
this. I rewrote this. Clear? Clear
Yes,
for
sir.
everyone?
Clear.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the main confusing part. Now x square plus, look, 2 into a into b by 2a into x. Now what I'm doing is like, I'm pretty lazy fellow. So what I'm doing like, I know this is b term. I mean like capital B term, because 2a is 1, so this is b. So what I'm doing, b by 2a, adding b square, subtracting b square. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
in b square, I am putting the same that plus c by a equal to 0. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. X square plus 2 into 1 into b by 2a into x plus b by 2a square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a equal to 0. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we can write this whole thing as x plus b by 2a whole square equal to, how can you write?
B by 2a square minus c
b
by
by
a.
2a whole square minus c by a. X plus b by 2a whole square equal to, okay, I don't want to be confused, like b square by 4a square minus c by a. We are doing LCM 4a square b square minus 4ac x plus b by 2a whole square. Now x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Agree?
Yes, sir. Clear.
X equal to minus b by 2a plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. X equal to minus b by 2a plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look, the whole thing is like we got this whole formula from which? Complete square method.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting the point?
Yes,
Now,
sir. Yes, sir.
the beautiful thing about this is like
Yes, sir.
this thing, b square minus 4ac. What is this known as b square minus 4ac?
Discriminant.
Discriminant.
Blunt.
What does it define? Nature of roots.
Real.
Nature of, this is known as nature of roots.
Okay.
Defines nature of roots. Look, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, real roots. B square minus 4ac equal to 0, equal roots. B square minus 4ac less than 0. No real roots. Leave out no real roots. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Now I will show you the diagram. I will draw the diagram. Real roots. It will be like this. Equal roots. There is only one intersection point. Only one x-intercept. And then coming to no real roots. No touching to x-axis. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yes.
Clear till now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now we will do one problem. Like, and then this. Like, we'll do one problem. This is activity 3.34 problem. I mean, like 3.4 problem. Look, they gave such 3.4 first problem. Can you go to the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Look, they gave that a stone is thrown. The stone is thrown with an initial speed v. Initial speed u in meters per second. the height of the stone trajectory h of t, they give h of t equal to minus 5t square plus 1 by 2 ut, where t is the flight time of flight. T is time of flight. The highest point of the stone in air that the stone can reach is 5 meters. Look, they gave the highest point, like 5 meters from ground, like something like this. This is the highest point, 5 meters. Calculate the initial speed u. We have to calculate u value. Hello guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, equal question mark. Now, what is the data that we have? Look, we got to know that the highest is like 5 meters. Where can you find the highest point? Like, hello,
Sir, at the vertex.
it's the vertex. Okay, you need to find the vertex. Where is the vertex?
At the highest point.
minus
I mean, like, what is the coordinate of vertex, man?
Minus b by 2a.
Minus b by 2a.
No, 0,5.
0,5. Why? Look, h of t is equal to minus 5t square plus 1 by 2 ut. Listen this really carefully. Like, ax square plus bx plus, look here, in the place of x there is t. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In place of x there is t. So this is quadratic equation in t.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, not quadratic function in t. So what is the, I mean, like, vertex? For this it is x equal to minus b by 2a, but for this case t equal to minus b by 2a, that equal to what is minus b? Minus 1 by 2 u divided by
Minus 5. Minus 10.
2 into a. What is a? Minus 5. Are you getting the point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus minus cancel. U by 20. Agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Look, they gave the maximum of 5 meters to find the maximum height. What should we do? We should substitute h of minus b by 2a. Agree?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So h of u by 20, that equal to 5. They already gave maximum height 5. So 5 equal to minus 5 by u by 20.
Sir, is the answer 20 meters?
Stop. Let me do. Okay, 1 by 2, because not everyone can't do that. Okay, u into t. What is t value? U by 20.
U by 20.
5 equal to minus 5 u square by 400 plus u square by 40. 5 equal to, let's take LCM, 400 minus 50 u square. Sorry, not 50. Minus 5 u square plus 10 u
10 u square.
5 equal to 5 u square by 400. 5 cancel. Equal u square equal to 400. U equal to root of 400. That equal to 20 meters per second. U equal to 20 meters. Okay, agree?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
That is the answer. U equal to 20 is the answer. Okay. These are all the concepts in the I mean, like week 3, I covered all the concepts with some examples. Then very little examples are left. Like I know about the discriminant. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Do you have any doubts on what I taught?
No, sir.
No.
Can we
Sir,
find
is the derivation
Sir,
important?
in one question I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, you can ask me.
Can I
Hello.
ask?
Yeah, you can ask.
Yes. Sir, at axis of symmetry, can we find y?
Can we find?
Yeah, sir. For axis of symmetry, can we find y?
What do you mean by that? Y equal to?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can find. Axis of symmetry is x equal to. Okay. You're telling about survey. Okay, stop. There are 2 points. Look, it doesn't matter of y value. Let me tell you why. Look, pretty good question. Stop. What is your question? Can we find y value at axis of symmetry?
Yes, sir.
Look, listen this very carefully. The question itself is somewhat wrong, but this is like very little explanation is required. Look, axis of symmetry is this. X equal to minus b by 2a. You no need to find y value because y can be any value. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the point? Look, for vertex, it is like minus b by 2a, comma, f of minus b by 2a. But axis of symmetry does not lie on the, I mean, like, there is no, what is known as, you can't find, like, look at this point, there is no, it is not meeting the curve. Like, there is no intersection point between the axis of symmetry and curve.
Okay, sir.
So what happens is that y can take any value. It is just a equation. Look, equation. What is the equation of x-axis? Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
sir.
Y equals to 0.
What is the equation of x-axis?
Y equals to 0.
Y equal to 0. And what is the equation of y-axis? X equal to
X
0.
equals to
Similarly, the equation of axis of symmetry is like x equal to minus b by 2a. Y can be any value. Okay. Hello. Did I clear your doubt?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, is the derivation part important?
No, derivation part is just to, I mean, like, know that those, I mean, like, to get to, I mean, like, to understand, like, okay, why quadratic equation, I mean, quadratic function slope depends upon coordinate. You need to understand that. That's why I explained that. But sometimes it is important. They might ask theory questions, but it is very important to feel the mathematics. Hello. Whatever you learn here, the same will be repeated in calculus part also, but with different terminology. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's why I mean, like, I gave you in-depth explanation of the derivations. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Yeah.
I have a doubt in activity 3.4, question number 4, sir.
Activity 3.4, question number 4.
Yes, sir.
Activity
about that
3.
football sum.
Activity 3.4. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Only 3 questions are there.
Oh. Actually, the question is a football player kicks a football from the ground.
Hello. Activity 3.4.
Yes, sir. Wait. 1 minute, sir.
Sir, there are only 3 questions in this activity.
There are only 3 questions.
Is it?
0.5 fourth question, sir.
3.5
4th question. You're saying it's
5.
3.4, like 3.5, fourth question.
Oh.
Where is the fourth question? Okay, a football player kicks a football from the ground. The path of the football can be modeled by function. They gave a function where x is a horizontal line, h of x is the height of the football from the ground. When both are measured in feet, and the player jumps and takes kick with the slope, then the slope of the function is minus 0.24. Okay. Look. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you tried that question?
What,
Look.
sir?
Did you try that question?
I tried, sir, but I got stuck.
Sir, I have
Look.
solved this question.
Look. This is like, I will give you like a brief idea. Look, I will give you, I am writing
Yes,
stuff. I'm writing. Question 3.54. Look, h of x is equal to minus 1 by 125 x square plus 20. X is h of x is a distance. When both of them, and the player jumps and takes a head when the slope of the function. Look, they give slope. Look, let us suppose I told you about the slope. They give slope of the function is equal to minus 0.64. You know what is slope of quadratic equation? Slope of quadratic function. Hello?
2ax plus b.
2ax plus b. First, we compare this with ax square plus bx plus c. A is equal to minus 1 by 125. B equal to 0. C equal to B equal to 0. C equal to 20. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Slope equal to given slope equal to minus 0.64. 2 into A equal to minus 1 by 125. X what is the, we don't know x value, plus 0. Minus cancel. 0.64 divided by 2 into 125 equal to x. 0.32. 125 into 32. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I doing correct? Check my calculation. X equal to 40.
Yes, 40.
Hello? Look,
Yes,
x
sir.
equal to,
Yes,
look, now we need to find like the player jumps and takes the header. Choose the correct options. The maximum height reached by player's head to take the kick is 7.2 feet. Look, so here they gave the x value, but we need height. So substitute this x value in this h of x. H of 40 is equal to minus 1 by 125 into 40 square plus 20. 1600 minus 1600 divided by 125 plus 20. Cancel 5. How much is the value?
Minus 12.8 plus 20.
20 minus 12.8. That is like 7.2.
Yes, sir.
Is that first option is correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First option is correct because it is exactly 7.2. Then coming to the second option, the maximum height achieved by the ball is 20 feet. To find maximum, what is the point? Minus b by 2a. Hello?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
X is equal to b
Following
minus.
this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This. Look, maximum like look, maximum or minimum? What is the possibility? Maximum or minimum?
B by
sir.
2a.
It's maximum.
A is less than look, A is less than 0.
So it will be
So
maximum.
maximum. So what happens is that we have to find minus b by 2a, that equal to 0 by 2 into some 1 by 124, that equal to 0. Substitute h of 0 equal to 0 plus 20, that equal 20 meters. Are you getting the point? This is maximum.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And check the maximum height reached by the player's head. It is wrong because 7.2 already we calculated it. So A and B are correct. Agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Okay, I think we can close the session now. It is 10 exactly.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Hope you have a wonderful
Thank you, sir.
session. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good night, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Good night. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
One more doubt.
Yeah.
We are not getting that a class message in WhatsApp, sir. I think because of that, many of the students are not attending the class. I think so. That may be the
Okay.
reason.
So most of the times it appears to be TA sessions and we don't know that it is class.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
actually, usually we used to get a message in WhatsApp. But today we didn't have past 2 days like yesterday also we didn't get I joined through calendar only. Last CT class also nearly 50 students only is there, and here also today also 50 only is there. Maybe
Yeah,
because
that's all.
of usually 200 plus students will be present for the class.
Okay. Okay. I will contact the
Okay, sir.
concerned authority. I will.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Did you see
Thank
how many? What is the maximum number of participants today?
today also like
Yeah.
50 plus only, sir. It was going up and down, but it is like around 50 plus.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
sir. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Good
Good
night.
night, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
There are two leading modes. You can have one of the leading modes.